When this ship docks, I'm getting off with you.
This is crazy.
I know. It doesn't make any sense. That's why I trusted.
Jack! There's a boat! Jack!
But now you know there was a man named Jack Dawson, and that he saved me in every way that a person can be saved. I don't even have a picture of him.